And years of death, where breathing first formed, something's definitely off there. You must be in your recovery arc. You might feel it as a slight tingle.
Alright, I know your shoulders were hurting, so take a deep breath. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright, so patient said that he's experiencing trouble breathing. Just gonna have to go.
Okay. I see the problem. Okay. Relax. Okay. Can I get an exhale? Alright, take a deep breath here. Oh, your aura is all off. Okay. Oh, okay. I see. Here you go. How about that?